Alright, so this is a Nissan nv3500. It's a 2015. We're getting increasingly less flow out of the front vents, and it does have a cabin air filter right there. It's got this panel behind the glove box. Once you remove the glove box, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. 2 down here, 1 there, 1 there. These 2 that hold the latch, and then 1 there. And then it can just pop off. It gives you access to here. And you can undo the clip here and here. There's a new filter in it now, but this was the old one, and that's why it was clogging up. There's the OEM part number if you need that. But you put a new one in there, reclip this, and then put the panel back on, put the screws back in, pop your glove box back in. And now we have good flow.